So now we are on a new topic called C++ streams. C++ streams. What is C++ streams? We'll see. See, in our C++, input, output are based on a streams, which are sequence of bytes flowing in and out of a programs. The streams generally we use IO streams. Do you remember? For each and every program, we are invoking a header file called IO streams. So we learn what is IO streams and what happens when we invoke IO stream in our program. So C++ is an input output are based on streams. So what all the things we are giving as an input, and what the things it is taking from the, and what the things it is giving for the output, that are based on streams, which are sequence of bytes flowing in and out of a program. These streams, what they do means they will be flow as an bytes out of the program. In the program they will be flowing as an bytes. It's just like a water flowing through a pipe. How the water flows through the pipe, even the same way in the streams the bytes will be flowing input and output in the program. That is nothing but C++ streams. In C++ streams, we have two different types: input stream, output stream. Input stream is that in our input operation, data bytes flow from an input source. Data byte flows from an input source into a program. What is input stream generally we use in a program? Scene is nothing but to take the input. So see here, the input operation data bytes flow from input source to a program, such as input source are nothing but such as keyboard, file, and network. The next one is output stream. In output operation, data bytes flow from an output source. So input is nothing but input source, that is nothing but keyboard, file, network. Output is nothing but output source, such as console, file, network. So these are the things which are helpful to get the output. That is nothing but cout. Cout is nothing but will be writing some statements to display. The streams acts as an intermediaries between the program and the IO devices. So the streams are nothing but it is an intermediary between the program and IO device. You know what are the IO devices will be having hardware devices. So this is C++ stream. See the diagram over here. This is a C++ program. In this you will be giving the data in the format of an a char, var, char, int, float, double. So that is nothing but the output stream which you are giving. So in that, the data which you have given will be encoded, the text will be encoded with the help of these many various encoding formats like US ASCII. These are the different types of encoding system. When you are giving uh, something like a char, so it need to be understood by the system. So these are the encoded devices which will be useful. So the output stream is nothing but console, file, network, and a program. The input stream which you are giving input are like keyboard, file, even you can attach a file, even you can connect with the network and the program. So these are the input file. This is a diagram for C++ stream. Next, we will see stream classes. What all the classes we have in a stream? This is a diagram. Maybe it is some blur. If you can read the description over here, you will be able to know what are this. So this is a stream class hierarchy. Stream class hierarchy diagram. See, we have iOS, iOStream, iStream, OStream, IfStream, FStream, OffStream, file buff, fstream or a fstream base, and stream buff. These are the streams we'll be having in the stream classes. Let us see what all these things, what all these classes do. iOS. iOS is an base class. The iOStream class is derived from iStream and OStream class. So this iOS derived from iStream, OStream. iStream is nothing but to take the input. OStream is nothing but to take the output. Is called OStream. The if stream and off streams are derived from iStream and OStream. See here again we have if stream, upstream. These upstream and upstreams are derived from eastream, offstream. So this upstream is derived from I stream. This upstream is derived from O stream respectively. These classes, this classes IO stream. The first one is iOS. iOS has an I stream, O stream, and I stream has an F stream, and O stream has an upstream. These particular classes helps you to handle the input and output with the disk files. This will be helpful to handle input output of the files. The next one is that the xstream.h header files contains a declaration. When you give in your program xstream.h, you will be able to uh, um, you'll be have in upstream you'll be having a if stream and upstream. Suppose when you are giving an iostream.h, generally we'll give iostream.h for every program. So that file contains iStream, OStream. What are the iStream and OStreams are nothing but classes are included in the program while doing a disk IO operation. When we are including this file, we can operate a C in C out, that means input output operations. The next one is that file buff. This is nothing but file buff class contains a input output operation with the file. This specifically particularly it contains for a file operation, and we have the stream buff to this. Stream buff, a stream buff class does not organize streams for input and output operation. Only derived class of a stream buff performs a IO operation. This means the main class does not work with a stream buff. Only the derived class, the base class does not work with a stream buff. Only the derived class can help you for the stream buff to perform IO operation, which means input output operations. These derived classes arranges a space and for a keeping input data and for sending output data. So this all the classes it will be help you to arrange a space for keeping the input data and sending the output data. So in detail we'll see what all the stream classes and what type of stream classes we have. So see, this C++ IO stream can be broadly divided into two categories. One is the standard IO, second one is the file IO. Standard IO is nothing but here data flows from standard IO device to main memory. It means IO devices are nothing but hardware devices. See, hardware devices. Data will flow from hardware devices, that means IO device, to the main memory. And in the standard IO, we have input output. So we'll see what the input operation does and what the output operation does. So standard input operation is when data flows from keyboard to memory. Keyboard to main memory is called input operation, whereas output operation, standard output operation, is when data flows from main memory to display screen. Whereas input operation does flows from keyboard to main memory, output operation flows from main memory to display screen. Where what is standard IO, completely standard IO is nothing but it flows from standard IO device to main memory. The second stream we have is that file IO. Here the data flow from file to a main memory, whereas in IO devices are flowing to a main memory. Here in a file file will be flowing to a main memory. So even we have IO over here, that is nothing but input operation and output operation. What the file input operation is, when a data flows from file to the main memory. File to the main memory is called input operation, and output operation is nothing but main memory to the file. So these are the two different type of streams we have in a C++ streams. IO streams, that is nothing but standard IO and file IO. Let us see what is the standard IO stream. And we have different types of classes in standard IO. The standard IO is also known as a console or standard IO stream classes. The standard IO stream classes are, so in the standard IO stream classes we have four different types of classes. One is iOS, OStream, iStream, IOStream. These are the things which we have seen in the diagram of hierarchical stream. iOS. We'll say what is iOS? The stream class presents the superclass to a maintain common stream property such as format flag, field, width, precious, and Persian and locally. So in iOS, when you are introducing a header file called iOS, so you'll be able to maintain this particular properties called format flag, field width, and local presence. Uh, so this IO is for particular maintenance of these properties. The second one is that IO stream. IO stream is that the stream class represents the standard output stream and is used to write on a standard output device. That means, see, O stream is nothing but it is an output stream which is used to write on a standard output device. That is nothing but a display screen. This with the help of cout we will be using ostream, nothing but a display purpose, a print statement will be going for ostream. The next one is that iStream. The stream represents the standard input stream and is used to read information from a standard input device. That is nothing but a keyboard. With the help of keyboard we'll be giving the input to the program to get the output, whereas iStream is it does just read the information, whereas OStream is nothing but write on standard output device, whereas iStream is nothing but information from a standard input device. So OStream is for writing, iStream is for reading. The fourth one is that IO stream. IO stream is nothing but the stream represents the standard IO stream, generally has the capabilities of both OStream and iStream. In the combination of OStream and iStream is nothing but IO stream. This generally we'll be using in our program IO stream. Why we use IO stream in our program? To get the output and take the input. uh, for that purpose we'll be using iostream.h in the header file. This includes the writing and this includes the reading. So this is a combination of write and read, which means it can write information to display screen and read information from a keyboard. To perform a standard IO processing in C++, header files IO stream must be included in your C++ source file. So always when we write a program, so the C++ source files need to have an IO stream, because to get the output input and output to a program, to read a program and to write a program, will be using a IO stream. This is nothing but a console or standard IO stream classes. Next we'll see a file IO stream classes. This file IO stream classes generally will use for the purpose of files only. When we are invoking a file in our program, we'll be using this type of a stream. Even file IO stream classes are, there are three types of file IO stream. One is off stream, if stream, F stream. So this off stream is nothing but output operation on files, provides an output operation on file, whereas if stream is that provides a input operation on file. So this off is nothing but output, if is nothing but input. Whereas next one is that F stream. F stream is nothing but the combination of upstream and F stream is called F stream. Supports for a simultaneously input and output operation on a file and write information to a file and read information from a file. That is nothing but F stream. These are the combinations we'll be having in a F stream. To whereas this input is nothing but to read the information from a file, output is nothing but write the information to a file. The next is that to perform file processing in C++, header files IO stream and F stream must be included in your C++ source file. In a C++ source file, we need to have a IO stream and F stream uh, as an header file so that we can operate with the input output files. To get the input and to get the output, we need this type of stream. Especially the input is to read the information and output is to write the information to a file or a program. So these are the different types of streams we have. The next class will be seeing unformatted streams.